Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record macros on Keychron V1. And to do this, first we'll need to visit this website right here. I can't pronounce it, sorry, but I will try to include it in the description of this video. And when you're on that website, you can click on Start Now in the Simple. It should give you a pop-up with your keyboard and then open something like this. Inside, if you want to create your new macros, you can click on the macros right there. Then you can find different macro slots, like it goes from 0 to 15, and we can click on one of them. Then it's recommended to enter the full screen like that, and you'll be able to start recording keystrokes. So for example, you can do Ctrl+C, and then we can stop recording and save the changes. Now, if you want to assign this macro to one of the keys on the keyboard, we need to go back to the key map right there, then select the macro and remember which macro you assigned the right there. So I think it was M1, yep. And then we can click on M1 and assign it, for example, to X. And now our X will act as the macro we just recorded. And you can also go for the macros and change to the text right here, and for example add your own text to insert it automatically with that macro. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.